Remember when Claude Code became fully accessible with open models through Ollama? Well, now that exact same thing is possible with OpenAI's Codex. As of today, Ollama is officially supported inside Codex's app, meaning that you can now run open source models locally inside Codex and use its AI coding agent capabilities completely for free. This is a huge moment for local AI workflows. For those who do not know, Codex is OpenAI's AI coding agent that helps you build, edit, review, and ship software with AI. Personally, I think it's currently the best AI coding agent that is available in the market. Now, for those who do not know what Ollama is, it is something that lets you run open source models locally on your own machine. Now, by combining the two, you can now run open source models like DeepSeek version 4, Gemma 4, or qwen 3.6 directly inside Codex without paying a dime. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. With this integration, you can visually edit almost any canvas because Codex can now load local servers and sites using its built in browser, and this will allow you to annotate directly on the page and make those changes through the chat using these open source models. You can do things like review code inside Codex, leave comments, and iterate without leaving the workspace using these open source models that are locally hosted. Now, some of the models that they have recommended to use inside Codex is the Kimi K 2.6 with Vision supported, GLM 5.1, and Nemotron 3 Super. But those are going to be paid, and you're going to have to actually have an Ollama cloud subscription. That is something that if you want to use other open source models through an API directly within Codex. Those are going to get you some good results. But if you want to have a locally hosted model using Ollama like Gemma 4 or qwen 3.6, you can easily do so by hosting the model with your own compute and then connecting it to Codex. Now, to get started, it is super simple. Just make sure you have the prerequisites installed. Obviously, make sure you have Codex installed, but it's actually only available for macOS and Windows users. It soon will be available for Linux users in the near future. And this is an app that you can install completely for free. Then you want to make sure you install Ollama. It is super easy to install. You can run the command directly within your terminal, or you can install the installer to install Ollama. Now, once you have Ollama installed, you want to know what model will work locally with your own compute. This is only if you're going to be installing a model locally. Obviously, you have the ability to use their API so that you can use their cloud service, which is going to be paid. But if you want to locally host the model, one that I would recommend is either qwen 3.6 or Gemma 4. These are two separate models that provide different variants, different model sizes that you can locally host. And to see if you can run those models, I will leave this website in the description below. It is the website that is called Can I Run AI Locally? And essentially, you can provide whatever compute you have, your GPU. You can specify what GPU you have. Then, once you have specified it, specify your VRAM, as well as a lot of these other components like your RAM, as well as how many cores you have. And once you have specified it, it will tell you which model you can run locally with ease. Like it is going to run the 3.18 billion parameter model, the Llama model, quite easily. But you can search up whatever model you want to install. So in this case, I want to install the Gemma 4, and you can see that it runs quite well on my computer after providing the specifications. So I can install any of these versions if I want. And what you can do is it's super simple to install any of these models. All you got to do is open up Ollama first. Make sure Ollama is running in the background. Then what you want to do is open up your command prompt. And once you have this opened up, you want to head over to the model card of whatever model that you're trying to install. In this case, I want to install Gemma 4. So what I can do is copy this CLI command, but make sure you do not run it yet. Now, what we got to do is just simply paste this in. Now, for the model that we want to install, we got to basically write in which version or variant that we want to install after the Gemma 4 model slug. So we can state with a colon and then specify the variant. So if I want to install the E2B model, which is probably the most lightweight model that you can install, you can just simply type in E2B and then you can click enter, and then this will install this model directly onto your computer. I am personally going to be going forward with the E4B and then we can click enter, and this will start downloading this model locally onto our computer. It is approximately 9.6 gigabytes, and once it finishes installing, we can then directly use it with Codex. Also, just make sure you have the latest update of Ollama that is 0.24 and above. Otherwise, this won't work. So it looks like it has finished installing the Gemma 4 E4B model. And I got that error because I updated Ollama because I just realized I didn't have the latest update. But I opened up the chatbot and you can see that the E4B model has been installed for Gemma 4. And I can actually interact with it directly on my computer. And you will be able to see that it actually works. So we now have this running locally and we can now connect it to Codex. This is where you're going to need to copy this Ollama launch Codex app command. Now, what you got to do is copy that, then open up your command prompt. You got to open up a new one. And what you got to do is just simply paste in this command and click enter. This will now have it so that Ollama will launch with any of these models that you have. It will state all the recommended ones. These are the ones that are going to require you to use their cloud subscription, but you can see that it was able to notice the one that we had installed, which is the Gemma 4 E4B. So we can click and select on this one and click enter. And this will now open up Codex with our Ollama model. So if we are to actually drag over this Codex app, just give me a couple seconds right there. We now have our Codex app loaded in with the Gemma 4 model. Now, I'm sorry about this. It's a little not, not sized properly, but you will see that it is now powered by Ollama. And Ollama now powers this Codex app completely for free and locally. Now you can essentially use all the capabilities of Codex locally with your open source model that you have locally installed and enabled through Ollama. This is where I'm giving it a front end task to help me create a beautiful landing page. So let's see what it is actually capable of doing. So it looks like it has finished generating the landing page. So what we can do is copy the code for this, and then I'll show you what it actually generated. So I've actually copied the code, and now what I can do is head over to this online SVG, or sorry, HTML viewer. I can paste in the code, and there we go. This is our SaaS landing page that we had developed with the Gemma 4 model. This is a 4 billion parameter model locally outputting code like this. This is where you can basically leverage this beautiful harness to accomplish any task. You can use scales. You can use all of the capabilities of Codex now with Ollama, with locally hosted models as well as their API models to do almost anything. Now, say if you want to restore to the existing Codex experience, go back to your previous Codex plan. You can open up your command prompt and paste in the Ollama launch Codex app dash dash restore command. This will restore everything back to what it was previously. So you can restart everything back to your Codex plan. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's exactly how you can use Ollama directly inside Codex with this new integration. And I definitely believe this is a great step forward for free and local open source development. Now, I'll leave all these links that I use in today's video in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at our second channel, join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.